Hey, what is up everyone? I hope you guys are doing good. It's been a while since I made a vlog about chefing. So today I'm gonna be going back to my roots where I came from, Singapore. Southeast Asia, where we have a lot of different delicacies that we make, but like my most favorite of them all is actually, I think, chicken rice. Yes, Hainanese chicken rice. So I'm gonna make that today. So stay tuned. Alright, for today's special we have two Southeast Asian, one from Thailand, one from Singapore, and man, we're gonna be making this very nice chicken rice dish. So first and foremost, some ginger. Yeah, it is. So you can be really generous with your ginger. Just be very generous. Don't be stingy with your ginger. It's healthy. So there are three main parts to this dish. So first you boil the chicken in this broth, like the stock. And then before you do that, you take the fats out of the chicken, a bit of fat, and you're going to keep that aside because you're going to use that later as well. So you're going to boil the chicken in this pot with ginger, spring onions for about 30 to 40 minutes. And also you got to like rub the chicken with salt. So you're going to like massage the chicken. Yeah. So Carrie over here, she's grating the ginger to make the ginger paste that you're going to be using for one of the sauces on the sides for the chicken rice. So yeah, it takes a lot of work and
it's hard work.
And also shredding gives you like muscles.
Hand muscle.
Hand muscles, yes.
My hand keeps cramping.
Check our arms. Yes, uncap the oil.
Oil. Tell me what to stop. Stop?
Yeah, stop. Because we need the oil for the chili as well.
Okay. And then which one goes first?
So that only that. You don't put the onions and you don't put the spring onions and ginger inside.
Okay. So chicken skin.
Yeah.
Go in the boot.
Yeah, it should be like golden brownish. So
It's so far away from golden brown. Do I have to suffer for that long?
So yeah, this oil, I'm gonna pour it in this. Alright, so over here we have chili, garlic, ginger, a bit of salt, sugar, and lime juice or lemon juice. Now I'm going to blend it up. That was strong! That was really spicy. Alright, pop in the rice cooker and good to go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Also gonna make
Banana bread.
alright. Enjoy a glass of whiskey.
So Nora's just put in some chicken oil and sesame oil with the rice to add some flavor.
So for the chicken rice, there's always two versions. There's the white version that you see right now, but I don't really like the white one. I like the brown one, the crispy, caramelized, crispy skin. So I'm gonna add some like chicken rice soy sauce on the chicken, and I'm gonna pan fry it in the pan. Yeah.
So I just added 2 bananas, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and now some syrup because we don't have maple syrup.
Alright.
And now we have to add like a little bit of milk. I don't know, just estimating. And then you're gonna add flour and baking soda.
Chicken rice!
Chicken rice! We have banana bread that is a little bit stuck because I didn't grease it. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tubs of Ben & Jerry's.
You need a quick revive. Oh days, no. Oh man, I'm down again. Hey, what is up everyone? Hope you guys enjoyed the video of chicken rice. If you guys did, like, subscribe and share. And you know what? Next week's episode is going to be about zombies, so yeah, stay tuned. Ciao.